Most people get this wrong. They assume Quick Bill Advance is just another payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's designed to give quick access to earned wages, manage bills efficiently, and provide transparent fees if used responsibly. Here's how it works. Quick Bill Advance lets you withdraw a portion of your paycheck before payday, usually within hours. Instead of high interest rates, it charges a flat fee per advance. The app also includes bill tracking, repayment reminders, and optional budgeting tools to help manage short-term finances. The downside? Frequent use can get expensive. Fees accumulate quickly if you rely on advances repeatedly, and missed repayments can result in restricted access for additional charges. Tips for smart use. 1. Only withdraw what you genuinely need and can repay on time. 2. Use reminders to avoid missed payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Quick Bill Advance? People with steady income who occasionally face unexpected expenses or need help managing bills. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is an issue, it could end up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Quick Bill Advance in 2026 is a practical short-term solution for cash flow and bill management, but only if used wisely. Treat it as a convenience, monitor fees, and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more reviews and tips to handle your money smarter.